This is why you need a mindset reboot. Your thoughts literally shape your body and your future. Stick with me for 90 seconds. I'll give you the science and the quick wins. Science first. Johns Hopkins found optimistic people are about 1/3 less likely to suffer major heart problems. Optimism lowers stress, boosts recovery, and even protects your immune system. Translation: thinking positive isn't fluff. It's medicine for your brain and body. So how do you train your mind? Start simple. Gratitude. Write 3 things you're thankful for each morning. It rewires your brain to notice good stuff. Mindfulness. 10 minutes of focused breathing calms the fear center and strengthens the joy center. Visualization. Imagine success in detail. Your brain learns the path before you walk it. Say one honest affirmation in the mirror, daily. It chips away at self-doubt. When negative thoughts hit, interrupt them. Snap your fingers, say stop, then reframe the story. Missed a goal? Ask, what did I learn? Not, what's wrong with me? Small wins matter. Set tiny goals and celebrate them. Stack confidence like Lego. Bonus hack: smile for 30 seconds. Science shows it lowers stress markers. Start with one habit today: gratitude, or a 2-minute visualization. Do it consistently, and your brain literally changes. Mindset isn't magic, it's practice. Please like, comment, and subscribe.